Vice President Sara Duterte is willing to be the first public official to take a hair follicle drug test in response to some requests for such an action. Duterte's pronouncement stemmed from a challenge made by former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque. Roque had urged the Vice President and her brothers, Davao City 1st District Representative Paulo Duterte and Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte, to lead by example in taking the drug test. However, despite agreeing to the test, the Vice President stresses that a third party should be involved in the testing to ensure the validity of results.
Nababasa ko na yung panawagan ng mga tao at ayusin na lang natin kung kailan yun kasi dapat siguro doon na merong nauna third party na kasali doon na sa testing at siguro hindi lang isa ang laboratory para sure tayo na nababalidate yung results.
In the same interview, Duterte expresses support for a bill filed by Davao Representative Paulo Duterte which seeks to require drug tests for all government officials every 6 months.
Of course, oo. Unang-una dapat talaga mapanigurado natin lahat na nasa tamang pag-iisip yung ating mga public officials. Kasama na ako doon.
The hair follicle drug test is the exact same method that critics of President Bongbong Marcos, including Roque, have been urging the president to do amid several allegations that he uses illegal drugs.